On this week's episode, crunchy fruit and nut salad. You'll need diced white cabbage, diced red cabbage, grated carrots, diced red apple, diced red onion, dried or fresh parsley, roasted, salted nuts, dried sultanas, and raisins. One, 2, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And that's it. Plate up and enjoy this delicious, crunchy fruit and nut salad. Look how beautiful this salad looks. I highly recommend. It's sweet, savory, and crunchy. Definitely a 9.5 out of 10. Thank you again for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Love you all, and God bless.